My next lecture is on Jacobian. So let us see here detail about Jacobian. So if u and v, these are two differentiable functions of two independent variables x and y in a region, then this determinant, actually आप लोगों को ये मालूम होना what are independent variables and which are dependent variables. So here in this case, u and v, they are called dependent variables, and x and y, they are called independent variables. So then this determinant del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, and del v by del y. एंड आप लोगों को सिंपली u और v की पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव्स निकालना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एंड y. एक डिटर्मिनेंट बनाना है 2x2 का, क्योंकि यहां पर दो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है और दो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. सो देन दिस डिटर्मिनेंट is called the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. It is also called Jacobian of transformation u equal to f of xy and v equal to g of xy. इसको डिनोट करना है by this notation del of uv with respect to xy or Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, और सिंपली इसको जे भी लिख सकते हो आप लोग, सिंपली जेकोबियन ऑफ यू वी, या और अगर सिंपल वे में लिखना है सो यू कैन राइट ओनली जे. डेफिनेशन को आप लोग एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो फॉर ए फंक्शन ऑफ थ्री इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स एंड आल्सो फॉर n independent variables. Now see just very simple example. If u equal to x square, v equal to y square, we have to find del of uv with respect to x, y. So according to definition, del of uv with respect to xy is nothing but determinant of del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, and del v by del y. चारों पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. del u by del x, from here it is twice x, del u by del y is clearly 0, del v by del x is 0, and del v by del y is twice y. Just expand this, so you will get 4xy. So it is del of uv with respect to x, y. Now next example, if u equal to y minus x upon 1 plus xy, so u is a function of x and y, and v is also function of x and y, and we have to find del of uv with respect to x, y. So let us separately find here del u by del x by quotient rule. So it is second partial derivative of first with respect to x, it is -1, second derivative of first then minus first derivative of second with respect to x, it is y upon 1 plus xy होल स्क्वायर. ब्रैकेट अगर ओपन करते हो तो ये हो जाएगा -1 माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई स्क्वायर एंड प्लस एक्स वाई. It is 1 plus xy square. Xy will get cancelled. It is minus times 1 plus y square upon 1 plus xy whole square. Similarly, you can find del u by del y. Again by quotient rule, it is second derivative of first, then minus first partial derivative of second with respect to y upon 1 plus xy whole square. So it is 1 plus xy minus xy and plus x square upon 1 plus xy whole square. So it will be 1 plus x square upon 1 plus xy whole square. Similarly, find del v by del x. From here, del v by del x. So derivative of first term is 0 and derivative of second is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So it is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Similarly, derivative of partial derivative of v with respect to y is 1 upon 1 plus y square. Now, let us have a quick look here. It is del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x and del v by del y. चारों की वैल्यू आप लोग को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. Just cross multiply, you will get 0. Then next example, x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, z is z, and you have to find Jacobian of xyz with respect to r theta z. So according to definition, let us first write formula. Del x by del r, del x by del theta, del x by del z, del y by del r, del y by del theta, del y by del z, and del z by del r, del z by del theta, and del z by del z. सबकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. नाउ लेट अस सी हियर. First find all these partial derivatives of x, y, z with respect to r, theta and z. सबकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो यहाँ पर. इसको पूरा एक्सपांड करना है. You will get r. So it is our required result. Similarly, you can see this example. X is a function of r theta phi. Y, it is also function of r theta phi, and z, it is again function of r theta and phi. See this. Here, x equal to r sin theta cos phi. Del x by del r. Del x by del r निकालते समय थीटा और फाई कांस्टेंट रहने वाला है. So sin theta cos phi can be taken outside. and partial derivative of r will be 1. So del x by del r आ जाएगा sin theta cos phi. Similarly, you can find all these partial derivatives. आपको फार्मूले में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, पूरा एक्सपांड करना पड़ेगा, and after simplification you will get r square sin theta. Then next, u, v, w, they are functions of x, y, z, and we have to compute Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z. Let us first find all the partial derivatives del u by del x from here. So yz is constant, can be taken outside. It is del u by del x, del u by del y, del u by del z. Similarly, del v by del x. So del v by del x will be y plus z. Del v by del y, it is x plus z. Del v by del z, it is y plus x. Similarly, del w by del x, del w by del y, and del w by del z equals to 1 each. आप लोगों को फार्मूला लिखना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले. Then substitute all the partial derivatives here, expand करना है, you will get this result. Then next example, y1, y2, y3, they are the functions of x1, x2, x3, and we have to find Jacobian of y1, y2, y3. मैं आप लोगों को एक पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव निकाल के बता रहा हूं. del y1 by del x1, that is del by del x1 of y1, it is x2 x3 upon x1. x2 x3 can be taken outside. Del by del x1 of 1 upon x1, it is minus 1 upon x1 square. So it is minus x2 x3 upon x1 square. Del y1 by del x2, that is del by del x2 of y1, here other than x2 means x3 by x1, it is constant, and partial derivative of x2 with respect to x2, it is 1. Similarly, you can find all other partial derivatives. सबकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है आप लोगों को. Here it is del y to this term, see this term, with respect to x1. So here it is x3 by x2. Just expand this, and after simplification, you will get 4. Then next is again here same problem, y1, y2, y3. They are functions of x1, x2, x3. Clearly, del y1 by del x1, it is minus 1. Del y1 by del x2, it is 0. Del y1 by del x3, it is 0. Del y2 by del x1, with respect to x1 means this much term is constant. So can be taken outside. Then del y2 by del x2 with respect to x2. x1 is constant. Derivative of 1 minus x2. It is minus 1. And similarly, you can find other partial derivatives. Substitute all the values here and then expand this. You will get Jacobian of y1, y2, y3 with respect to x1, x2, x3. So it is our required result. Then similar problem here. If x equal to x, y, z, they are functions of u, v, w. Let us find all the partial derivatives del x by del u, del x by del v, del x by del w, del y by del u, del y by del v, del y by del w, del z by del u, del z by del v, and del z by del w. Substitute all these partial derivatives in a determinant. Simplify this, you will get 16 UVW. So friends, let us stop here. आप लोग इसके सेकंड पार्ट में और प्रॉब्लम में लेकर आने वाला हूँ.